Hi, it's Miss Spittle, and I'm here to show you how to add some extensions and some add-ons to your Chrome browser. So to get started, I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to find the Chrome Web Store. So you can either type in Chrome Web Store and search for it, or if you see the address here, here it is. So you'll see that there are extensions here. You're going to click this little puzzle piece. And you should be able to search for two that we're going to add. The first one we're going to add is Cami. And when you click on it like this, it should click Add to Chrome. And go ahead and click Add Extension. So then you'll see it pop up here. And this little puzzle piece, if you open it, these are all the extensions I have. So now I have Cami. Then I'm going to go back to home, and I'm going to search the store, and I'm going to add Grammarly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open that, and I'm going to click again the button Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. It might take a minute here to see. Okay, looks like it's adding it, and it says it's right here. So again, I can go up to my puzzle piece, and I can check. Grammarly's getting excited. Okay, I can check that I have Grammarly and I have Cami. If I wanted to pin it to the top here, I can click on the little thumbtack. Like I have my Bitmoji one clicked here, and it will make a little icon so it's quicker to open it. So like when I click it here, it automatically opens it. So that's how you can manage add-ons and extensions on your Chrome browser, or sorry, extensions. Now we're going to do some add-ons. So I went ahead and on my Google Drive, I opened a blank presentation. So you guys can go to your desktop here, open a Google Drive, and you're going to, or open your Google Drive, you're going to click New. Actually, let's create a folder. So we're going to create a folder. This is New Folder. And we're going to call this Civic Studies, or Civics. Okay, and then inside of that folder, let's go ahead and create a new Google slide. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and call this Tech Check. We'll come back to this assignment in another part of this station on our Schoology today. But I'm on this part right now, I'm just going to add add-ons. So I'm going to click add-ons right here at this menu on my slide, and I'm going to add extensive fonts and icons for slides. So to do that, you're going to go to Get Add-ons, and the first one you're going to type in is extensive fonts. So extensive fonts will come up. Mine's already installed, but if you wanted it, you should just click on it, and it will take you through the steps to install it. We're going to do extensive fonts. That gives us a bunch of cool fonts. And then the other one that we're going to do is flat icon. So you should search it. Oh, why is not? Flat icon is one word, sorry. And mine's already installed. Okay? So then when I'm ready to use my add-ons, I just go to my add-ons menu, and here I can open extensive fonts, or I can add my icons. And it'll show me all the ones I've done recently. So those are the things that I should have. So to double check on your Tech Check assignment before we get started on it in another slide, you should have extensive fonts and icons or flat icons that will come up on here as icons for slides and docs. And then if you click on this little brown puzzle, or not brown, black puzzle piece, you should have Grammarly and Cami there. Okay? That's your first part of this.